Hello friends, Holistic Health Coach Georgianne Holland here from my beloved home state of Colorado. I share your concern for the health and wellness of your family. There are over 100 million people in America today with diabetes or prediabetes, and that means high blood sugar has now reached epidemic proportions. Do you know at least 3 people with the disease? I know that I do. And that's why I've created an educational program to help people across the U.S. on the path to a wellness solution. I see the ideal student for this program as a caring person in a family group who wants to stop their family legacy of diabetic illness and all the associated complications that go with it. What I've created is the Solution Starter Program for prediabetes. Today I'd like to share with you what's included in this program. You will receive my VIP lessons that I've taught as a diabetes educator and holistic health coach to my clients who needed to lose weight, be more physically active, and manage their stress. This is a year-long online class, and it will support you as you can participate in it at your convenience, at home, in your pajamas. This is about simplifying your health care, not adding an inconvenience. Solution Starter includes a wide range of tools to help you throughout the year, including a prediabetes workbook and a food and activity journal. Do you want to know what the most important element of this prediabetes program is? It's not a thing. It's not really something you can even buy. The power of this program is the support you receive and the support you will give others. The support that perhaps wasn't there when this chronic hormonal illness was developing in your body or in the bodies of those who sit around your kitchen table. Because the sad American diet, which is what has been heavily marketed to all of America in the past 40 years, is what has laid the foundation for this prediabetes. The typical American diet has been built upon the notion that when anyone is upset or lonely, tired or stressed out, or simply needing to recharge after a long day, well, they should reach for the cookies baked by elves, or find a platter filled with pasta at a local bar where everyone knows their name. The food that likely created the prediabetes in your body can now be transformed into a new kind of eating, an eating lifestyle that lets you cope with the slings and arrows of life in America using nourishment and community compassion. You will feel something amazingly close to reinvigoration when you take on this program with me and the Solution Starter community. How can this happen? Support from a compassionate coach and access to other women, men, and their families around the country who are also on the same path, the path to wellness. That is the secret. This is how this happens. The program provides you access to that magic. The path to a new kind of American diet where sadness is not part of the marketing plan at all. My friend, those are the ingredients in this year-long program called Solution Starter for Prediabetes. And I think you will discover new things every month as classes are delivered to you and you engage with the material. You can decide for yourself how much you want to be in community online and how much private study is the right combination for you. It is easy to join this program, and it's refreshing to know that without shaming you, using guilt, or ever doubting your ability to thrive, I will be on your team and you can create for yourself the kind of good health that has been your family's dream for a very long time. Thank you for giving me the chance to share my hope for you and your family today.